everybody! Today we're going to be making slime! Hey everyone! Today I'm going to be making my first ever slime video with my brother and sister. We're going to be making two different types of slime. I'm going to be making cloud slime and I'm going to be making butter slime. And I'm so excited! We're going to get really crazy. So let's get started. So first we're going to be making butter slime. Okay, so let's just pour it.
Oh!
It looks like milk.
It looks like chocolate.
That's good. Okay, so now we're gonna add color. There you go. Okay. Okay. Aiden, would you like to mix it?
Yeah.
Okay. You can mix it.
Oh. No!
That's pretty.
Yeah, I want that.
You wanna mix it so I can go faster?
No.
No? Okay.
Whoa, that's pretty.
That's really pretty.
Wow. Whoa.
Here, let's go faster. That's a really pretty color. Now we're gonna add some Tide. Okay.
I want to mix it.
It's kind of heavy, so let me just do this. It's,
Oh my god.
whoa, it's activating.
It's flying now.
What is that, Aiden?
Flying.
Whoa!
Oh, it's so tiring.
Whoa! What is it, Ariel?
Flying.
Woohoo!
This is tiring. It's like a workout. Whoa, this feels weird. Look. So we're gonna add more Tide. It's really hard to mix. It's so, whoa. Yeah. Are you singing? Are you singing? What are you singing? Okay, so I'm just getting with my hands now. Oh, it's so sticky. Oh, it feels so cool. Look, Aiden.
Whoa.
I'm a monster.
Make a bubble.
I can't right now. Ugh. This is really fun.
We'll make like one.
Look at this. Whoa. Isn't it cool?
I want to touch it.
You want to touch it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, go. Is it sticky?
Go.
I think the slime is ready now. It's in good consistency. Oh, super nice. Do you want to touch it? Is it better?
Yeah.
Ah. Okay, now it's time to add the Model Magic. Hold on, let me just.
Go! Say it.
Now we're gonna add some Model Magic clay. I think I'm gonna add like little by little. So like, let's grab a piece of this. And then let's grab a piece of this. Isn't it cool? Look
Yeah.
at it.
I want to touch it.
It makes it like a pastel pink.
Aiden wants to touch it.
Want to touch
Can I
it?
touch it too?
Yeah. Here you go, Aiden. You can play with this one while I'm doing the rest.
Oh my god. Ah.
You're singing?
There's a little thing.
Here, Aiden, you can do whatever you want with it. Try different things. Smash it. Blow bubbles. It's sticky? Sticking to your hand? It's like a monster.
The sticky, Aiden?
Yeah.
Well, look at
What?
this. This is fun. Here you go, Ariel. You can play with this one. Okay. The best strategy to do is just add little by little in little piles to make it like a good consistency. It's fun. It makes it like a pastel color. Is it stuck to you? Feels super nice. I love this.
Dad, she's fucking yellow.
Isn't it pretty?
Yeah.
Look. It's okay.
Sticky.
Try to blow a bubble.
Yeah, because I won't pop it.
Okay.
Whoa.
Oh. My bubble.
Make another bubble. That
Okay.
one's fine.
It's a little bubble. Look, it's right there. Look. This one feels like fluffy slime. It feels so nice. It feels like
Yeah.
butter.
Butter?
Do you like it, Aiden?
Yeah.
Aiden loves this slime.
And I love this too.
Yeah, you love it?
Mm-hmm.
It makes it, this is, I haven't put any of the clay in this one, and this is how it looks like. It's just like, it's not that pastel-y, but like, it's good enough.
Hi guys. Hi guys.
Ariel's enjoying it a lot. And I think they're gonna love the next slime as much as this one. So let me just finish up this slime and then we'll get right on to the next one. This one's the regular slime. I didn't mix any butter slime, butter clay to that one. And this is the butter slime. This one's really nice. I love this one.
Me too. Me too.
Did you hear that? There's nothing inside. Your laugh is so funny. Wow. It's super fun. Do you like this one, Ariel?
Yeah, I love that one. Would your butt? Would your butt?
Aiden. Look. It almost whacked Ariel in the head. And this is the regular slime.
This is cool. Look it, Samantha. Whoa.
Listen. Oh, I love this. This is really fun. So let's get on to the next one.
Yeah.